If you're using Google Workspace and you want to create a booking link so people can book time with you that works for them and for you, just like a tool like Calendly, then if you've got Google Workspace, which is like a paid Google account like that you might have at work, then you just go over to your calendar and go to booking pages. And then here you can just say, let's say I wanted to make a 1 hour meeting with Jess available, or a 30-minute phone screen if you're hiring, or, whatever it is that you want to do. You set the duration of that. You can set your availability and say, every week, these meetings I don't want to do on Monday or Friday, but I'll do them in the middle of the week, but not at 9 a.m. Let's make it 8 a.m., to 3 p.m. You can do whatever you like here, to set your available times. You can decide when they can schedule. So can they book in like 6 months from now, today? Or, do you only want them to book in the next 2 weeks? So you can set that. You can also set a time for how far in advance they have to book the meeting. I don't know about you, but I would not want a meeting to pop up on my calendar that was suddenly going to happen in 15 minutes. I could easily miss that if I was in a focused work block and not checking my calendar or my email. So you can say, they need to schedule the day before or 4 hours before is the default. So you can set that. You can also set specific dates. So you can say, normally I'm available, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but, I'm not available on this Friday or this Monday because I'm out of the office, or, those types of things. So you can set specific days or weeks that don't work for you because you're going to be out. And you can set a bunch of other settings. And then, once you're done, you're just going to get you can add a description here, like this is what this meeting is about. So let's say you want to have a whole page of links and, people could book a 30-minute meeting or a 1.5-hour lunch meeting, or whatever it is you want. You can get specific. You can also give some options for how to meet. Do they want to, schedule with a, Google Meet link, or, is this a phone call? You can even take payments. You can set up reminders for them. All of that. And then it'll pop up and you'll get a link here that you can start sending to people, and they can use it to book a meeting with you.